Oh no, the power cell has drained. Or worse, the crystal has cracked. Now there may be a few reasons why you need to access your power cell in your lightsaber. Maybe all that time battling younglings during the holidays has drained your saber's power cell, and you just need to change out the power cells to get going again at setting order in the galaxy. Or possibly, you have vanquished as many of those villainous Jedi as you possibly could during Order 66. Now you just need to take out your power cells so that your lightsaber is safe during storage. Rise. Feed your anger. Good.